All right, hello. Today we're doing another Leetcoder type of question. Today we're doing connect ropes. Um, so basically the problem statement is given n ropes with different lengths. We need to connect these ropes into one big rope with minimum cost. The cost of connecting two ropes is equal to the sum of their lengths. Um, so for example, one or also our first question, the output is 33 because when you have to connect all the smallest rope, like in order to do this with minimum cost, you want to connect the smallest ropes first and eventually make your way all the way up, right? Because otherwise you'll be adding like if you did 11 and 3, then you'll be doing like 14 plus 1. So you're adding the 11 like multiple times, which is very costly. Um, so you want to connect all the small ones first before you connect onto the big ones. And so, um, what you want to do here is um, create a min heap and then just add all the small ones and then you make your way up, right? So first you connect 1 and 3 and you could get 4. So then your array would look something like 4, 5, 11, or your heap, right? Into 4, 4 and 5. So it's like 9 and 11, and then you get 20 as your last thing, right? Um, so that's how you would add it, and the total cost is all of these added together, right? So that's how you would do the question. So let's put the answers down first. So this one's obviously 33. This one, 3 plus 4 is 7, 7, and then 5 plus 6 is 11, and then 7 plus 11 is 18, and then so all of that together is 36. Here we have 1 plus 2, that makes it 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Um, Actually, let's write this one down. This one gets a bit long. 1 plus 2 is 3, and then 3 plus 3 is 6, and then 5 plus 6 is 11, and 11 plus 11 is 22, and all of that together is 3342. Okay, so the answer here is 42. So these are our expected answers, and from here, I guess we can just get into implementing. From heap queue, import star, because we want to use this stuff in the heap queue. In an interview, you would probably want to ask this, but I'm just going to assume that we can modify this rope lengths array. If not, you might just have to make a copy, depends. But I'm just going to assume that we can modify it. So what we're going to do here is we're going to heapify rope lengths, right? And once we've heapified it, we're going to actually have a running sum, because we need to add all of the numbers together at the very end, right? Or like all of the sums that we get. So while the length of rope lengths is greater than 1, what we're going to do is first number, I'll just do first. First is heap pop rope lengths, and then second is equal to heap pop of rope lengths as well. So this just means we pop off the first two smallest numbers, running sum plus equals first plus second, right? And then so now we want to heap push back onto the heap rope lengths, first plus second. So actually you could just do temp is equal to first plus second. Second. And you can just replace these with that and that, right? And so now we're building our running sum by adding the first and second numbers, right? And then we push it back onto the heap so that we know like there's a rope with a certain length, and then we need to keep reiterating to connect it. So actually we can just run it through this one, right? So we start off with 1, 3, 11, 5. If we heapify it, it looks something like this. If we want to order it from smallest to greatest. And then so pop off the first two numbers. We'll pop off the first two numbers. That gives us 4, right? For the temp, running sum is now equal to 4. We put 4 back onto the heap, and now this is our running sum. Well, running sum. is equal to 4. We pop these two off. That makes 9 plus 9, right? So this is now 9. And now plus 20 because this is 20. Now it's not greater than the length of 1. So now we get this, which is equal to 33, right? Which is what we expect. So now if we were to just, oh wait, I forgot. We have to return running sum at the end of everything because otherwise we won't have a solution to print. So with that being said, let us run Python file, boom, 33, 36, and 42. And yeah, so with that said, that's how you do this. What is this question called again? Connect ropes question. Yeah, thanks for watching.